Welcome to an episode of Mr. Build It Kids, where we let kids explore their creativity and build with their hands. Today I got Beckham with me, and we're building a project that I'm extremely excited because it's a sport that involves a sport that I like to play. Any guesses?
Golf.
It is golf. It's golf. But we're going to give it a huge twist. We're going to include the cornhole games that you play in golf, because you play golf as well.
Yeah.
Are you good at golf?
Decent.
You got some pretty good shots in you, for sure. So I think we can create something that incorporates both of those that we can all use all the time.
Yeah.
All right, so this is gonna include a very minimum amount of materials. We're gonna use a piece of plywood, use 3/4 inch, and then a piece of 1x6 material.
Yep.
Now, the idea here is gonna be we're gonna create a frame around it, and I'm gonna let you, after I cut everything, to start attaching it with screws and a drill.
Okay.
You like using a drill?
Yeah.
All right, you're getting pretty good at it. Let's do it. And to save you all the boredom from watching me cut, we're gonna do some movie magic. Ready?
Why can't I go straight?
Well, you can drag it too. You don't have to. There you go. And use your finger and then spread it out. Spread it so we get good strength.
I have to wash my hands later.
Well, that's part of building. Get messy.
I do get messy, and then I never wash my hands.
Well, that's a problem, isn't it? Okay, you can wipe it on the bench too. So now we're gonna get you some screws. Grab this drill right here.
Drill. Oh, the dust on it.
Bex.
Getting
So
it off.
set one right there. Okay, and do it when I tell you. You will be ready. Okay. All right, you should be ready now. Good. All right, so just go and put a screw into each hole that you already pre-drilled. Perfect.
Oh.
Excellent. We got a nice, good glue up there, nice and tight. Let's work on our sides. Nice, good job. We got 3 of the 4 sides done. Oh, actually we got more screws right here. Almost forgot that.
I only did
All right.
one.
Let's screw those in. Now you're getting crazy again on me. You're getting a lot better using a drill now. Remember first time you were putting screws in, you couldn't get them all the way through. All right, there's a problem. We're short one board. I didn't accommodate for it, so we need 1 piece of plywood and then 2 boards, and I only bought 1. I hate when that happens. So I tell you what, I'm gonna run down to the store real quick, and what I'll have you do is I'll have you start sanding the sides here, getting all this black stuff off.
Yeah.
Make sure it's nice and smooth. Now, I'm gonna leave you unattended without adult supervision. Can you handle that? Well, she's got a camera, so hopefully you can get it done. All right,
All right, then I will.
I'll get you a sander. You work on sanding that. I'll go get another board.
Hello. It's like a racer.
All right, I got my board. How did everything go?
No comment.
I feel like there's a story here that I don't know about. All right, let me slice this piece up
Roll
so
the
you can...
clip. Hey, look, there's a little bug. Good, yeah, good job. Jack, I need to sand your forehead. What? His forehead's so bumpy. What? Oh, do it! Do it! I can't hear you! Your forehead is shaped like a triangle! Stop it! Go, 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 go! Don't show Dad this.
Let me slice this piece up so you can attach the last piece, and then we'll move on.
I sanded down the corner.
That's a good move.
Oh, wait, no, I forgot to do this one.
Okay,
Can I do it real fast?
go for it.
Go, 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 go!
You're out of this world.
What? You never had fun sanding?
I don't think any woodworker in the history of woodworking has ever said, I had fun sanding.
It's funny because it's true.
I am taking a shower after this. Oh, wood pieces.
Remember, it's called man dust, or man glitter.
Man glitter.
Your piece is ready, sir.
Now you should bow down to me.
Your Highness. Screws are over there. Get your glasses on. Safety. It's important.
What about you?
I've been doing this a long time. I'll put them on. Let's not do that.
No. Oh, you laughing at me? Hey!
I like how you're pressing the screw in like a thumbtack. That's actually a pretty good strategy.
Taught me it.
I didn't teach you how to press it in.
I mean, no, you told me
I
to
said set
twist
it,
in.
but it's a great, twist it. Well, that's a different story. But I mean, it's a good approach. I'm not saying it's bad. But that's cute that you said I taught you something.
Actually, I take it back.
That's cold.
How close were you? Feels like the wind when you fart. When you fart.
Yeah, that's what it is like. All right, I'm gonna borrow this for a second before you get hurt with it, okay? So we need to arrange our cups. So this is
Okay.
essentially like, in golf there's the hole, right?
Yeah.
So these are essentially those holes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna set them up in a triangle and see how many we could fit comfortably without overcrowding it. So why don't you start with the pyramid from the bottom, and then we'll start working it up and see how many holes we need to drill. Let's start them like right here, so there's enough of a ledge off of it. Because the idea here, you want maybe the ball to bounce off of the board a little bit. Yeah, let's do 5 and then move our way up. Oh. All right.
Maybe
So that
you need
looks-
more.
No, because if you think about it, if we put more, it's not gonna fit on the bottom of the board. So technically, we should move it up. And the way the game could be played is if you get the very front one, that's like a hole-in-one, like in golf.
My logic does make sense. And maybe we should just go until like right here.
Like a triangle, or like a diamond.
Yeah.
I mean, we could try it.
And then we should go like down.
So now go put what, 4? No, like 4.
So weird looking diamond.
Well, the diamond's not complete yet. It's a diamond in the rough so far. I think I like this idea more because I think you have more opportunities to actually make it in. Let's just make sure it's nice and centered, and we'll create a little bit of a gap between each one of these cups, because if we start drilling them nice and tight like that, there's not gonna be enough room on the wood to hold it up together. So we'll try to find an even spacing as best as we can.
So when we drill the holes in, is it gonna be like all the way down to the bottom?
All the way completely through.
okay.
Okay, we just have to make sure everything is centered. We might actually have a little too many cups here. So like now this is coming off the edge.
Oh wait, I just shortened like a bunch of cuts.
Space.
That's good.
Well, hold
Oh,
on,
maybe a little
Hold
more
on,
to the
this is
side.
4, 3, 2, 1. 3. Oh, there's our problem. 2, 1. I think that's.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
And see how it gives you enough of a room on each side? Yeah, we just have to center it now. We'll start out by drawing a line. That's actually a smart idea.
Exactly what I was about to say.
Let's get rid of these so we know it's going to be 4. You picked a convenient time to be thirsty. All right, Beckham. One project at a time, dude. Pick them up.
Okay, fine.
I should start a YouTube channel with my kids. It'll be fun. It won't be stressful at all. Come on, let's work on the center part first. So I believe the center was 4 cups, right?
Yeah.
Let's align 4 cups first. All right, that looks about right. So what I'll have you do, I'll have you start tracing them so we'll know exact positioning of them. Take this pencil, put your finger on top of the cup, and then trace it around.
Okay, tracing.
Okay, got it?
Yep.
Okay. So we could drill these all out by hand, but we need a perfect circle so this fits in. My measurements, if they're correct, the inside of the cup is 3.5 inches. So I got this heavy duty drill bit. This is called a hole saw, and you probably can guess what right, it cuts holes. All you gotta do is put that drill bit right in the center, lots of pressure on top, and then let the drill actually create the hole that we're looking for.
Okay.
And then when we're done, hopefully it'll be a perfect fit. All right, ready?
Yep.
Go for it. All the way, press the trigger all the way. Keep going. Press the trigger all the way. There we go. Nice work, dude. That's a lot of holes to cut. This is not the easiest bit to use, but we got it done. No, we're not blowing this thing off.
I immediately regret this decision.
It's all in like these.
All right, moment of truth. How do they look? Hey, that's perfect. That's an absolute perfect fit. 3.5 inches bit. If we're gonna do this at home. All right, so now, before we start making it all pretty, what we need to put is, just like any cornhole, they have little kickstand in the back, right? We can do one of two ways. We can either put one 2x4 on each side, or we can create a bar that goes across, like a 2x4 put together. A bar would look nicer and more sturdier. Bar it is. All right. All right, so we're gonna make a stand for it. We're gonna secure it like that and like that.
Yep.
Wood glue screws from the back side, and then we'll put this underneath it. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, wood glue on the back of that. And then we're gonna put it right there. Grab the drill. Here's the screws. Good. Give this one a little bit more. Good. Perfect. Good. Perfect. All right, let's just attach it.
Nice.
So what we want to do, Bex, is when it fully extends, it hits the backboard for support, but at the same time, we need it to be in a perfect position where it doesn't interfere with anything, which I think that's that position right there. So why don't you put a screw into here and then the other side.
Drill.
So grab a screw, grab the drill. All right. Oh, nice. That actually worked.
Yay!
All right, flip her over. Oh, that's awesome. That's
Nice,
perfect.
yeah.
So I got a really cool idea how to make it actually have a golf theme behind it. Check this out. So here's what I'm thinking. I have this leftover outdoor green rug from a project. So what I'm thinking we do, we glue this on, trim the edges, and then carefully with a sharp knife,
Underneath
cut
or
it out.
underneath?
Well, you can do it on top. Just follow this inside. And then that way you can stack the cups in there and it'll look super cool.
Yeah.
You want to apply this adhesive? Okay, this is a construction adhesive. It's very sticky. So we're gonna make sure our hands are not on there. So, what I'm
So
gonna
just
have
squeeze this?
You just squeeze that and you make zigzag lines, and then I'm gonna figure out how to spread it. And then we're gonna go around the cups. Try not to get inside here, okay?
Okay.
Yep, and just stay away from this edge. I'll just spread it onto it, okay?
So you just have to hold the handle down.
Yep, just slowly squeeze.
You gotta put on a lot.
Yep, this whole thing has to be covered in it. So this stuff binds wood, metal, plastic, rubber, concrete, everything. So it's heavy, heavy duty stuff. All right, Bex, we got one shot of this. So keep the back very tight. We'll lay it on the back, and then I'll slowly roll it forward, okay? Oh, let's pull it a little bit. Pull your side up a little bit. There you go. Now press it all in.
And we're gonna cut off the edges.
Yep, so press it all around the circles. Don't press it too hard, but see like this I'm doing?
Should I walk up it?
No. All right, Bex, sharp knife. I'm gonna hold this down, and you. All right.
Well, I think that's good.
Okay, so right this edge like that. Slowly, watch your fingers, like that. There you go. Watch your fingers. There you go. Oh, that's a good clean cut right there.
Yeah.
How cool does this look?
Sick.
It's sick, right?
Yeah.
It actually, I think we spread the perfect amount of glue, and we did a nice job cutting it.
Yeah.
Now let's cut out the circles out. So,
Okay.
cool party trick. Wow. What all you'll do is feel the hole, puncture through, feel the stop, and then slowly kind of,
when I was
and you
doing
almost have to like saw it up and down a little bit.
Yeah.
And the most important part is don't get outside of that hole, because if you do, it's gonna look terrible. Because you kind of have to follow that little. All right, so let's be efficient here because we have 16 holes, well 15 now to do. You find the hole, cut an X through it, and then I'll come back with my knife and carefully cut that stuff out, okay?
So the other one?
Yep. You know what we can also do? We can cut it like this. I don't think we're gonna need to cut them completely out because I think the cup will actually, I think that's probably the
Wait,
easiest way.
let's go see.
Let's try it.
Then we just get a hammer.
No, we'll need to, because if you think about it, see how perfect that is? So we will need to
Oh.
cut it out.
Or if we just get a hammer and then hammer the lid.
That's definitely the harder way. So you cut into it. And the most important part is we can't get this glue onto this rug, because if it is, it's donezo. Sounded like a good idea to make a huge diamond-shaped thing with a lot of holes, but then you have to realize you have to cut them all, you have to trim them all, and you got to make sure you don't get dirty. We could have actually waited on the glue to dry overnight,
That's
but
boring.
yeah, we're both impatient people. That's where we have similarities. All right, looks like all of this has dried already. I'll let you
Yep.
do the honors and stack these cups in there.
They fit perfectly.
I know, they look good.
You can't even see where we cut them.
That was the plan. All right, looks like this thing looks awesome.
Yep.
Let's get some balls, let's get our clubs and take it in the backyard. You're 5 steps ahead. There you go. Oh,
No!
that's a great shot. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. I think this has to be one of the coolest
Yeah.
projects we built so far.
Yeah.
I could see keeping this in the backyard full time, playing it, practicing. It's gonna be awesome.
With bucket golf.
Bucket golf. Nice work, dude. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friends. Beckham, sign us off.
Bye. Oh, that would be cool.